3D printed pencil sharpener. The link for download the free STL files is in the description. 3D model. 3D print setting. Black parts. Yellow parts. All parts what you need for assembling. Heat up the screws, then put the cap on them. Solder all of the threaded inserts into the 3D printed parts. Put the bearings into the parts. If necessary, grind all shafts for the perfect fit. Put the shaft for the sharpener into the main body bearing. Then put the front part bearing to the shaft and screw these together. Put the handle on the crank, then screw the end cap on the crank. Put the crank on the sharpener shaft, then screw these together. Put the pencil adapter into the front part. If you need a pencil adapter for another pencil form, you can draw it easily. Put the sharpener into the sharpener shaft. You can position it with the pencil. Fix the sharpener with 2 screws. Screw the holder handle into the main body. Fix the pencil adapter with a screw. During the process, you have to push the pencil to something for the perfect pencil tip. It works great. The link for download the free STL files is in the description.